What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to create a banner for YouTube. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons and tutorials to help people learn how to use technology to improve their lifestyle. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. Alright, to make a banner in YouTube, I personally use Photoshop, but a lot of people don't want to pay for Photoshop. So I'm going to show you a free way that you can easily make a banner for your YouTube channel. Let me jump right over here to my YouTube channel and show you guys a little bit about my strategy for making a YouTube banner. So you'll see right here on my YouTube channel, I'm very particular about making a banner that will fit nicely on a computer. Because mainly on mobile, a lot of people aren't going to really look at your banner that closely, I guess. It's more to look really nice on a desktop, even though most views will probably come from mobile. But I'm very particular about making sure that everything fits right here on this screen. You can see I got this little subscribe button that will point down to like the subscribe button here on my screen. Got the new videos thing, and then my text right here in the middle and my background image. I think it looks really good. I did it in Photoshop, but you can do it for free on some other online platforms. Now, the free platform online that we're going to use right now is called Photor. I think that's how you say it, F-O-T-O-R. And to do this, you can do it for free. I'm just going to go right over here to Design, right on their homepage. And from the design page, once it finally starts, you're going to pick a dimension. Now, the nice thing is right here, they have for you YouTube channel art. They have the dimension already for you. But if you're unfamiliar with the dimensions of YouTube channel art, you can go back to YouTube, click on the little photo camera icon that'll pop up, and it'll tell you right here, 2560 by 1440, max file size 6 megabytes. But this kind of does that for you. See right here, 2560, 1440, and we're ready to go. So what I can do is I can use one of these like pre-made like preset things if I want, which could be really, really convenient. Oh, that one's kind of nice. I think that might be a premium. Okay, you see like the little upgrade now? I think these ones with the little heart thingy are like premium designs. So probably gonna have to stay away from those for now. Let's see, let's just try this one. Okay, there we go. Something to remember about your YouTube channel art is this is what it's going to look like right here, what you're seeing on the screen. This is what it's going to look like if you were to like open your channel art image and look at it full screen. But if you go back to my channel, it will crop it down to this little bar right here at the top of your screen. So I like to tell people when you're creating YouTube channel art, play in the middle part of your screen. So only play in this part of the screen because that square right there, roughly, is going to be what shows up on a desktop. And it's going to be even smaller for mobile. So if you got text like up here that says like auto or something, that's not going to show up on your channel art. If you were to go back to here, that's not going to show up in this area right here. Your text is going to be like up here, like off the screen. So that's why I say, like I said, play in the middle. And the nice thing is for right here, they have that set up for us. So if I were to, mess around with this, let's say we are a cars channel just for that. And so, Auto Fanatics. We're called Auto Fanatics. Let's change the color because we don't want to be, like what the preset is. We obviously don't want to copy the preset. That'd be dumb because if other people have ever used this, they're going to know that. And then right here we can be like exotic car videos weekly. Something cool. I don't know. But yeah, you could just like do a quick little edit right here. If I don't like that, I actually really don't like that because that is not going to show up on your channel. So let's trash that. Okay. So this nice little middle part is what's going to show up on my channel. Let's say though that I'm not a huge fan of this car design. Let's see if we can find a new image to use in the background. I'm gonna press import. Actually, let's go online and see what we can find. Exotic cars. Pexels. I like using Pexels because they got a lot of free, stock free images. I'm just gonna go actually straight to their website. Okay, Pexels. Okay, here's some more cool videos. Now, keep in mind, when you're looking, remember the rule. Only like the middle part of the picture is going to show up on your channel art. So if I were to like look at any of these, I have to look at it thinking that is what's gonna show up on my channel art. So I'm looking to see what shows up in that section of the images to see if it's something that's cool. Like this Lamborghini one right here could be kind of cool. This old school Mercedes one actually could be really cool too. I'm gonna download that one. Okay, we've got that downloaded. Let's go back here, let's see if we can import. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Zoom back up. Sorry. Wow. I apologize. I am zooming in all over the place. Okay. So I'm going to move that to where I want it. Boom. Gosh, I don't know why the zoom sucks so bad. Okay. So there we go. I got a unique picture, got unique title, text, everything looks pretty good. Now let's do, let's save it. Let's call it good. That looks pretty sweet to me. So we're going to save it. YouTube channel banner. I'm going to sign in, connect with my Facebook account, I guess, because that's the easy way to do this. Ba-dum, ba-ba-dum. Let's check it out. Boom, there we go. That looks pretty sweet. Now, if I wanted to see what it looked like, I could come over here to my YouTube channel, click Add Channel Art, select it from my computer. There it is. Upload it. Boom, and you can see right there, this is the nice thing, guys. You can see right here what it looks like on desktop, TV, and mobile. And you can see right here that it doesn't crop anything out, doesn't crop the words out on desktop or mobile because we played in the middle of the screen. That's what's so important, is that you play right here, like I said, with text in the middle square of the screen, because that's what's gonna show up on desktop and mobile. There you go, guys. That is how easy it is to make a YouTube channel banner. You can make it in just like a couple minutes. I'll throw a link below this video to this website so you can create your free YouTube channel banner and get started with that awesome professional YouTube channel. All right, guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment. Let me know what YouTube channel you're working on. I want to come check it out. I want to come leave a comment. So leave a link to your YouTube channel below this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
About